Hello friends, welcome to Neelam Baba channel. I'm going to tell you about vitamin B. B complex vitamins are very important for our body. B complex vitamins are water soluble vitamins and should be constantly replenished. B complex vitamins are also known as the energy vitamins because of their energy creating traits. These vitamins are essential for the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins that provide us the energy, aid in the normal functioning of the nervous system, muscles in the stomach and intestinal tract, and for healthy hair, skin, and eyes. These vitamins are essential for the development of red blood cells also. During both physical and mental stress, amount of the B complex vitamins may be low. Alcohol, smoking, caffeine, use of birth control pills, and some medications may deplete the level of B complex vitamins in the body. A deficiency in B complex vitamins can interfere with the learning ability, causing personality changes that include aggressiveness, hostility, and depression. These important energy booster vitamins can be obtained from a variety of foods such as yeast, legumes, green vegetables, and dairy products. No one food supplies all the necessary B complex vitamins. So, a variety of foods are important for a balanced intake of these vitamins. There are 7 B complex vitamins needed by human body. Though each individual B complex vitamin has a unique function, all of the B complex vitamins work together to keep the body function properly and help maintain optimal health. So what are their names and functions? First is vitamin B1. Its scientific name is thiamine. Its function is assist in energy metabolism, help in regulating nerve impulses. Second, vitamin B2. Its scientific name is riboflavin. It facilitates enzyme release energy from nutrients in all body cells. It also helps support vision and skin health. Third, vitamin B3. Its scientific name is niacin. Its function, it involved in energy transfer reactions, helps in the formation of genetic material known as DNA. Fourth is vitamin B5. Its scientific name is pantothenic acid, involved in the release of energy and in the synthesis of fats, steroid hormone, and hemoglobin. Then comes fifth, vitamin B6. Pyridoxine helps in protein and lipid metabolism and in the formation of RBC, red blood cells. Then comes sixth, vitamin B9. It's called folic acid, required for all rapidly growing cells such as RBC, WBC, cells of the intestinal wall, and for cell growth during pregnancy. The last seventh one is vitamin B12. It's called cobalamin. Scientific name is cobalamin. Vitamin B12 and folate depends on each other for their activation, protects nerve fibers and promotes their normal growth. These are the seven B complex vitamins and their functions. We all need all these vitamins. From my personal experience, I'm going to tell you that if I can't take all the foods, all the vitamins, these seven vitamins from where those foods from where I can get these. So for that, what I do, I take Nutrilite Natural B, which helps me to get energized, as Nutrilite Natural B provides 100% or more of the daily value of 7 B vitamins that help support energy production and meet nutritional needs brought on by stressful living. So Nutrilite Natural B is a nutritionally balanced formula of 7 B vitamins: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, as I have already explained you. So this specially cultured deactivated yeast provides one of the richest natural sources of vitamin B, which are easily digested and readily assimilated. If you like my video, please do comment and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.